On the following problem, it says the equation of the line, so they give you a linear equation, and the equation of the line Q, they give you another equation. Which statement about the two lines is true? So we're looking for a true statement. Now it says the lines are perpendicular. If you guys remember, in order to find out if the lines are perpendicular or parallel, we need to be able to find the slope. Now to find the slope is a very quick process. We basically just move the lift. We need to place it onto slope-intercept form. We move the x to the right. That will give me a negative 5y is equal to, I say negative becomes a positive 9x minus 3. And then we just divide by negative 5 to leave the y by itself. That will cancel. So we have y is equal to negative 9 over 5x plus 3 over 5. This is your slope. And we're going to do the same thing with the other equation. We're going to move the x to the right, becomes a positive. So we have a negative 5y is equal to positive 2x minus 3. And now we just divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. The negative 5's cancel. We have y is equal to positive divided by negative is a negative 2 over 5 x, negative divided by negative is a positive 3 over 5. Are the slopes the same? If the slopes are the same, then they'll be parallel. Are the slopes the same? No. For perpendicular, they have to be the opposite and then the reciprocal slope. So, no, they're both negative, so that will not make it perpendicular. And the reciprocal, are they reciprocals of each other? No. Now, to find the x-intercepts, we need to be able to let y equal to 0. So let's go and find the x-intercepts right underneath. So, x-intercepts, we're going to let y equal to 0. And let's do it on the first one. Negative 9x minus 5y is equal to negative 3. So that cancels out. We have negative x equal to negative 3. We're going to divide by negative 9. Divide by negative 9. That cancels. So x is equal to negative divided by negative is positive, so 1/3. We are going to do the same thing with the other problem. Find the x-intercept. We're going to let y equal to 0. Negative 2x minus 5y is equal to negative 3. And we're going to plug in a 0 for the y. This cancels, so we have negative 2x equal to negative 3. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. That cancels, so x is equal to positive 3 over 2. Are they the same? No. Now to find the y-intercept, we're going to let, so to find the y-intercept, we're going to let x equal to 0. So we have the first equation, negative 9x minus 5y is equal to negative 3. By itself, the x will be a 0. That cancels. Divide by negative 5 on both sides. That'll give me y is equal to 3 over 5. We're going to do the same thing with the other equation. We're going to let x equal to 0. So we have negative 2x minus 5y is equal to negative 3. By itself, the x, we're going to plug in a 0. That cancels, so we have a negative 5y is equal to negative 3. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. This cancels, so y is equal to 3 over 5. And they both have the same y-intercepts. Now some of you guys might say, no, Mr. Students, can I just do it in a slightly easier way? To find the x-intercept, can I just let y equal to 0? And I noticed right away that they will not have that same x-intercepts when you solve for x. And to find the y-intercept, can I just imagine that this becomes 0? And when I solve for y, it'll give me exactly the same value? Sure. Or you can just go through the process. So your answer is letter C.